Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Are you investing in yourself? The fact is, great business developers are constantly learning and constantly growing. There is a phrase that if you're not growing, you're dying. So, how are you investing in yourself? And what's really fascinating is that every time I've invested in myself, I find that I make more money. So, there's been times where I had not a lot of money to invest in myself at all, and that's okay. But I did it and I made more money from it. And I was happier because I was learning and growing and being the best that I could possibly be. So I'm going to suggest that you think about what it takes to invest in yourself. Are you absolutely being the best person that you possibly can be? Because when you invest in yourself, that investment's going to come back to you at least 3 times. Now, I know sometimes it's scary to invest in yourself because you think to yourself, where am I going to find the money? But the fact is that when you can invest in yourself, that money will come back 400 million times more. No, well, maybe not that much, but at least 3 times. And I'm going to suggest that you start an invest in yourself fund so that you fund that investment in yourself fund every single day or week or month or year so that then you have what you need in order to invest in yourself. And investing in yourself can be as simple as buying a book or attending a webinar. It could also be going to a workshop or conference. And even if it's virtual, you'll still learn a lot. It could be more formal in terms of education, getting a degree or a certificate. But the fact is that when you invest in yourself, you're investing in your future, especially as a new business developer. So now that you know how to invest in yourself, I want you to go out and really think about where you want to learn and grow next and what thing that you need to invest in so that you'll be better at new business development. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. And if you have a question that you want to ask or a topic you want us to talk about, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you want to talk about how to invest in yourself, feel free to click on the link in the email or in the caption and for your free, no obligation coaching session. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.